two girls, Audrey and Everly, they're 11. They came here to vibe code some video games on their favorite topics, cats and kiwi birds. So we're having fun with that. But yeah, I couldn't sleep last night. And I was like, I need a creative outlet. And so I decided to vibe code an accelerator. So it's run a startup, survive the chaos. So you basically can pick your startup and it gives you like a randomizer of a dev tool or marketplace or AI wrapper. And then you equip your founder with perks. So hustle culture, cracked engineer, YC alum, caffeinated. And then you go through this 26-week cycle. You get a budget, $75,000, and then each week you allocate your hours towards either fundraising, product, hiring, sales and marketing, customer support, ops, and well-being. And each week you advance. There's one button that you can pivot, and so it resets everything. So